we'd like to clarify reports from the Senate media that verbal instructions were given to them to the effect that they would be limited from covering the session tomorrow. Ang sabi sa kanila, pwede kayo pero kailangan nakaupo. Ang kaso po, Mr. President, wala namang upuan. So para sa madami nating mga kaibigan sa media, parang hindi sila pinapahintulutan sa session hall, taliwas po sa tradisyon at nakasanayan. So, mari po bang bigyan ng kalinawan, Mr. President, ang tanong na ito para on the record, madinig na mga kaibigan nating mamamahayag at maiwasan ang kalituhan bukas, Mr. President?
Naipaliwanag na po sa kanila na nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan kaugnay sa pahayag na binigay ng PRIB kanina. Rektang pinaliwanag yan ng Senate Secretary sa mga miyembro ng media na hindi totoo, hindi accurate at hindi naunawaan yung naunang sinabi ng PRIB. So wala pong ganon. Kung ano ang meron ngayon, ma'am, available din sa media yun tulad ng ordinaryong araw at sesyon natin.
Salamat, Mr. President. So ibig sabihin po, nakatayo man sila or nakaupo, ay papayagan po yung Senate media mag-cover sa session natin bukas ng hapon, Mr. President.
Usually members of the media cover the session from the media because from their office there at the media center, because they get to see from all angles from cameras provided by PRIB what's going on in the session hall. They're usually not inside the session hall all the time.
Yes, I understand that, Mr. President, but given the importance of the debate tomorrow afternoon, kaya ko po hiniling lang ganitong kalinawan na papayagan po silang makapasok at makapag-cover ng session bukas ng hapon, Mr. President.
They can, as they usually do, Your Honor, and I don't think there's any reason for us to limit or inhibit that.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.